Is Quotex legit? Is Quotex real or fake? Is Quotex safe? Before delving into the intricacies of Quotex, it's essential to grasp the broader context. The world of online trading, particularly when unregulated, can be a treacherous landscape. A recent study revealed a staggering 80% of online trading accounts result in losses. This statistic underscores the inherent risks associated with such ventures. Quotex, a binary options broker operating from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, has garnered significant attention, both positive and negative, within the trading community. While the platform offers a user-friendly interface and a diverse range of assets, its lack of regulation raises serious concerns. One of the primary advantages of Quotex is its low minimum deposit requirement of just $10. This accessibility has attracted numerous traders, especially those with limited capital. Additionally, the platform's demo account provides a risk-free environment to practice trading strategies before investing real money. However, these advantages are overshadowed by the significant drawbacks. Quotex's unregulated status means it's not subject to the same oversight as regulated brokers. This lack of regulatory scrutiny increases the risk of fraudulent activities, such as market manipulation and unfair trading practices. Many traders have reported difficulties withdrawing their funds from Quotex. Delayed or outright refusal of withdrawals is a common complaint. These instances raise questions about the platform's financial stability and its commitment to customer satisfaction. Furthermore, the binary options market itself is highly speculative and carries inherent risks. The all-or-nothing nature of binary options trading can lead to substantial losses, especially for inexperienced traders. While some traders have reported positive experiences with Quotex, including profitable trades and responsive customer support, these anecdotal accounts cannot outweigh the significant risks associated with an unregulated platform. In conclusion, Quotex offers a potentially attractive proposition for traders seeking low-cost access to the binary options market. However, its unregulated status, withdrawal issues, and the inherent risks of binary options trading make it a risky choice. Prospective traders should exercise caution and thoroughly research alternative options before considering Quotex.